everyone, it's Heather with Ideas to Come, and I want to share this technique with you, rusty technique. I did the front cover of this book, just the front cover, didn't do anything else, just the front, just to show you what it looks like when you use it. Of course you can add the different colors that you want, but this is a do-it-yourself rusty pastes, and you can purchase these at the store, and they are quite expensive. I have this rusty paper Viva. This was actually I actually was given this, but I want to show you. I love this texture, the texture that it has on there. It's really cool texture. And so I wanted to show you how to make this. I'm not sure how long this will keep, but if you keep it in a well-sealed container, I'm pretty sure it'll keep for a while. Sorry. And I just keep mine in these little Ziploc containers. You can get these at any grocery store. This one I had lying around, so I use those. But I like these ones because these ones, if it gets hard or if it gets old, you can just toss those and you don't even have to worry about it. So that's what we're going to do today, learn how to do that. And first what you'll need is 3 containers to mix your mixtures in. You're going to need 3 stirs, a tablespoon. You're going to need some Aleene's Clear Tacky Glue, original tacky glue. And then you're going to need some paints. You're going to need brown, yellow, black, red, orange, green, and a gold. I'm going to use this metallic gold. I'm not sure which one I used in this one. It looks like just mud. But I'm going to try this one. So I'm going to get out my my stuff here, and and the other thing you'll need is joint compound. Now you don't need a container like this. This is just something I happen to have. I don't remember. I think we got it at a garage sale or something. So I don't even know. I'll never use that much joint compound, but for anything, maybe. But I know they sell them in smaller containers. So first I'm gonna, and sand. You need a little sand. This one I picked up at the Dollar Tree a long time ago. I don't know what I was gonna use it for, but you can get them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. You can get sand just about any of those places. So first I'm gonna put in the sand, and 2 tablespoons of sand for each color. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of each into each container because I'm going to need this. This is going to get dirty. And I don't normally wear gloves because I like to get messy. But just for the video, and it is quite messy, so I have my handy dandy wipes ready to go. So there's my 3 containers. We're going to start with just the first one. So the first one, we're going to add a tablespoon of joint compound. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that to each one of these. And it's funny because my joint compound is molding. It's weird. So one of those to each one of these. This is why I wear the gloves, so I could take out the joint compound, because you're going to need this for some colors. So I don't think I closed it up good last time, so I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to clean off my spoon because I'm going to need that for color. And of course these are dedicated craft utensils, so that I don't want to use those on my food. So there's the joint compound, and we need to add the clear tacky glue. You know what? I forgot to see how much tacky glue we're supposed to add. I think it's 2 tablespoons. Mix thoroughly blend. Let's see. Sorry, guys. So this is the main part right here. Adding this is like the main base part for this is the sand. And you know what? I bought this tacky glue and it's not even clear. And I'm not going to edit, guys, because I don't got a lot of time to be doing editing. So if you're bored with this step, please fast forward. So each one of these is going to get some clear tacky glue. 2 tablespoons. I think that's correct. And you know what? I don't think the recipe has to be exact for this. Just don't want tacky glue, and I'm going to need this. So I'm just going to do this one right here for right now and mix it up. So you just want to mix all that up. And it does take a little bit of time. I just zoomed you in a little bit, and this is what it looks like when it's all mixed up. So to the first one, we're going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of brown acrylic. Here's my brown. And like I said, the measurements, I don't think they need to be exact. I'm not doing exact. So I have a tablespoon of brown acrylic paint, and you mix this until it's thoroughly mixed. I can still see white in there. And that's the first part.